How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled notification. And once you are inside the notification section, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled ringtone. And here you can choose from the available ringtone, or you can even add a custom ringtone from the files. And that's it. Now you know how to set a custom ringtone for WhatsApp calls. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.